Right, in this video we're going to be looking at doing the side number 4 of the dice, but in particular we're going to be looking at making or using the rectangular pattern tool, or the rectangular array tool as it should be called. If you're sitting a National 5 qualification with the SQA, they only recognise you to say rectangular array, not rectangular pattern or circular pattern. So you can see this rectangular pattern tool is up here in the 3D modeling tab. This is for if you're going to be using rectangular pattern with a feature. So if you've already extruded something or you've already made a feature, then you can use the rectangular pattern or rectangular array tool to duplicate that feature around the object. We're going to be using it in the sketch tool. So I'm going to do start 2D sketch. I'm going to go opposite on side number 3. Because 3 and 4 make 7, so opposites on a dice need to add up to 7. I'm going to go and draw in a circle just like we have done loads of times before now. I'm going to go to dimension and put it in place so that it turns purple. 12.5, 12.5, and then I'm going to go to rectangular pattern. So in Inventor, the way it works is that in a tool it will have multiple arrows. So if I click this circle, it will mean that I am selecting the geometry in this tool. Now it's already selected, and I know that because it's went blue. Often when you open up Inventor, it will already select one of the things in the tool just for quickness. And in rectangular pattern, selects the geometry, and the geometry that I'm going to be duplicating or doing an array of is the circle. So I'm going to click the circle. And then I need to click directions. Now you need to put in direction lines most of the time, but since we've done some dimensioning, we've got these yellow lines that I can click on. I can't click over on this line. Now I want a vertical line and I want a horizontal line. Now you can see a vague outline of these circles, and my vertical line is going the wrong way, so I want it to turn round. Then I'm going to put my spacing to 25 because that will be half the way, and all I want is 2 of them. I'm going to click OK, and then that's put all 4 of them in. I'm going to finish sketch, I'm going to go to extrude, click all my profiles, click cut, and then hit OK. And that's how you use our rectangular, the rectangular pattern tool in Autodesk Inventor. Okay, so in the next video we'll be doing side number 5.